Hi, I'm Sandra. Welcome to the second episode of Copy the Look, One Item, Three Styles. Leather trousers are the perfect piece you can have to do your daily outfits. And in today's episode you will see how this piece of clothing can be styled for three different occasions. So let's take the most out of this piece of clothing, and as always you will have three possible combinations. You will see all the outfits, but also learn lots of styling tips, styling details that make all the difference. Because as I'm styling these pieces, I talk and explain you why I chose these specific items, so that it's easier for you to learn how I build my outfits and you can easily recreate them with your own pieces. So let's begin with outfit number one. We begin with the workwear outfit, an elegant, sober look. A white long sleeve top or bodysuit layered under a special little tweed jacket. The perfect match to my black leather trousers. The gold trim are the main character of this longer Chanel-inspired jacket. Black shoes and gold jewelry to match the details in the jacket. Grab my black tote bag and I'm ready for a day full of meetings. Just wanted to show you another option of shoes. If you don't want to wear heels or simply because you don't wear heels, you can definitely swap for a pair of loafers. These kind of tapered trousers that show our ankles are perfect to wear with loafers. We are showing the thinnest part of our legs. It will be more flattering and less bottom heavy as well. Shoes from Cezanne, the Vicky loafers, trousers from Mango, bodysuit from Zara, and this jacket is from Goilia. So a pair of loafers, also a nice alternative. Outfit number two. For a smart casual outfit, I wanted to wear monochromatic on top. And here I am wearing a light blue button shirt and a knitted sweater in a similar shade of blue. I just love blue paired with brown, especially this dark brown of my leather trousers. I opted to wear these leopard print slingbacks to elevate this look a little more, kind of doing a smart casual outfit. But you could swap the heels for a pair of comfortable loafers. I have these leopard print loafers that are kind of the same style as the slingbacks. And in this case, my trousers are a little too long, but you could solve this issue folding the hem. Finish this outfit with your favorite bag and you have a complete look for an afternoon of shopping. These shoes are old from Mango. Loafers are also old from Zara. Leather trousers are from H&M, real leather, dark brown. The shirt is from Arquette. Sweater is from Cezanne, very old. And bag is from Zara. Outfit number three. And last but not least of our 1 for 3 method, a total black outfit for a dinner at your favorite restaurant. I love a casual chic outfit for these occasions. That's why I'm wearing a wool black sweater that is warm, casual and very comfortable. All black outfits are a huge trend, but to cheer up this look and elevate it to a more special outfit, don't forget to accessorize it with bold jewelry. In this case, I'm wearing a large gold bracelet and bold statement earrings. To break the all black dull look, I'm adding a pair of red shoes with a jewel piece on top, another huge trend this season. A black wool long coat over your shoulders, a beautiful clutch, and you're ready to the party! So, let's talk about the pieces. Shoes are very old from Zara. They are red and the clutch is in burgundy. I think it can work as well. After all, we are talking about reds, different shades of red. Trousers are the same, leather trousers from Mango and old. The sweater is from Cezanne, it's the Maurice jumper in yak wool, and this is a Manteco wool coat from Zara, very old also. I hope this 1 for 3 method, so 1 item 3 styles method with the leather trousers was really helpful. And as always, tell me in the comments the next piece you want me to style this way. I already have some requests, they are noted, and as promised, of course, I will do the videos with the pieces you chose. I read you in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like so that I know that you want to see more episodes of this series. Also, if you haven't already, do subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell so that you don't miss any episode, because in the next one I'll be styling the denim shirt. The denim shirt is a casual piece, but I will show you how you can elevate this piece to do your workwear outfits and also an evening outfit. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for spending your time watching my videos, always supporting my channel, and I'll see you tomorrow here. Bye bye!